Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh and this is your JIS News for Monday, December 4. Approximately 450 jobs are expected during the construction phase of a new renewable energy plant in Clarendon. Ground broke on Friday for the 94-megawatt natural gas power plant at Jamaica in the parish. The plant, which will use liquefied natural gas, is being constructed by New Fortress Energy at a cost of $265 million.
And what we are doing here is that we are not only diversifying our energy mix, but we are also building in an inherent capacity, an inherent robustness in our energy sector.
The LNG plant will include a floating storage and regasification terminal, installation of a pipeline from Rocky Point Port to the Jamaica refinery, construction of the natural gas-fired power station at Jamaica, and construction of an electricity distribution network. Meanwhile, a code of ethics to govern the operation and conduct of stakeholders in the petroleum industry is now in place. The National Petroleum Codes was launched on Friday by the Bureau of Standards Jamaica, BSJ. The codes, which are gazetted as Jamaican standards, address areas such as product handling and health and safety requirements. Director of Energy in the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology, Fitzroy Vidal, says the codes will assist in dealing with some of the challenges in the industry. These include matters relating to environmental protection, insurance and quality product assurance.
We must make sure that business is conducted in a way that allows for a fair return on effort expended.
The National Petroleum Codes are now available for purchase at the BSJ. Prices range from between $3,500 to $5,500 per code. The Corporate Area Traffic Court is now operating from a new location with the capacity to try more cases. The facility now has 3 courtrooms at 2 Melbourne Avenue, up from 1 at the previous location. The facility, which comes with adequate parking, was officially opened on Friday by Minister of Justice Delroy Chuck.
This provision of additional courts is in pursuance of the government's objective of enforcing the rule of law and for timely justice.
Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Traffic Division, Senior Superintendent Clive Allen, welcomed the new courthouse. SSP Allen says that since the start of the year, the court has prosecuted 450,000 breaches of the Road Traffic Act.
However, there are signs of encouragement for us, because as we speak, we are recording some 17.5% less reduction in road fatalities. In actual figures, up to yesterday, 59 less lives have been lost on the nation's streets.
$10 million in cash and prizes is being injected into the 2018 Return of the Jamaica Festival Song Competition. Minister of Culture Olivia Grange revealed the figures at last Thursday's launch of the competition. She used the occasion to invite corporate Jamaica's support.
So through this program, we're not only rebuilding the vibes and returning excitement to our festival song competition, but we are also creating several opportunities to promote brands and products to a global audience.
The festival song competition was postponed in 2017 to allow for revamping of its format. The 2018 competition will see changes such as road shows and developmental workshops to address writing and performance skills and publishing rights. And finally, the statue of Usain Bolt was unveiled last evening at the Statue Park at the National Stadium. It was revealed by Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Sport Minister Olivia Grange.
He has shown the best of mankind that we can achieve by hard work, dedication, commitment, and we don't need to use anything to enhance our God-given talent.
A number of dignitaries and fans turned out at the National Stadium to lend their support to Usain Bolt, who said he was humbled by the experience.
I've never ever at no point feel I would be in this moment, as big as it is now, have my own statue at the National Stadium where it all began.
The statue was designed by Jamaican sculptor Basil Watson and is the first of 4 that will be done under the Jamaica 55 Legacy Program. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.